Do you want to be your own boss, work from anywhere, and have more freedom and flexibility in your life? If you answered yes, then you need to watch this video till the end, because I'm going to reveal some secrets that most freelancers don't know. Strategy number 1, define your niche and target market. You can't be everything to everyone, so you need to focus on a specific area of expertise and a specific type of client that you can serve best. This will make you stand out from the crowd and attract the right kind of projects. Strategy number 2, create a portfolio and a personal brand. You need to showcase your skills and your personality to potential clients. A portfolio is a collection of your best work that demonstrates your value and your style. A personal brand is how you present yourself online and offline through your name, logo, website, social media, etc. Your portfolio and your personal brand should be consistent and professional. Strategy number 3, network and build relationships. You can't rely on just applying to job boards and sending cold emails. You need to connect with people who can refer you, hire you, or collaborate with you. You can network online by joining communities, forums, groups, etc., or offline by attending events, meetups, conferences, etc. The key is to be genuine, helpful, and friendly, and to follow up with your contacts. Strategy number 4, pitch and negotiate. You need to know how to sell yourself and your services to potential clients. You need to craft a compelling pitch that highlights your value proposition, your benefits, and your testimonials. You also need to know how to negotiate your rates, terms, and expectations, and to close the deal with a contract. Strategy number 5, deliver and delight. You need to deliver high-quality work that meets or exceeds your client's expectations. You need to communicate effectively, meet deadlines, and handle feedback. You also need to delight your client by going the extra mile, adding some personal touches, and asking for referrals and reviews. These are the 5 strategies for effective freelance marketing that I use and recommend. If you follow them, you will see a huge difference in your freelance business. But don't take my word for it. Try them out for yourself and let me know how it goes in the comments. And if you enjoyed this video, please like, share, and follow me for more tips and tricks on freelancing. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace out.